Hello again everyone. As promised, we'd like to give you a video run-through of the new features added to our NEXRAD page. But before I get to that, I would like to point out that there were some minor tweaks made to the behavior of this page, and that includes both the mobile and desktop version. However, I'd rather like to avoid going into detail about the subtle changes made and focus more on the important new features that were added. The first couple features I'm going to demonstrate have only been added to the desktop version. If you open the radar site map, you will now notice a checkbox in the lower left corner of the map that enables and disables an auto-close feature. When this checkbox is checked, this means that when a new site is selected, the sitemap will close automatically. This setting will likely be preferred for monitor resolutions that have an aspect ratio of 4:3 rather than 16:9. In our previous video, you will recall that we created a keybind for the escape button, which would close all open menus. We've expanded on that idea and added keybinds to W, M, and P, which will toggle the warnings display, the radar sitemap, and the product menu, respectively. These can all be closed by hitting the keys again, clicking anywhere else, or hitting the escape button. And the last couple of features were added to both the mobile and desktop versions of the page. On the right side of the radar display, we now have a new refresh settings button, which will open a small menu allowing you to adjust the refresh interval of the radar display, severe weather warnings, and the background image for the radar sitemap. Each of these will default to 5 minutes, however you can adjust them at your leisure. We also have an off setting, which is recommended for instances when you have a poor internet connection and would like to refresh all of the data manually using the browser refresh button. And last but not least, we have added a download feature, which will allow users to download radar data in bulk for any loopable product in the form of a zip or an animated GIF. If you are viewing a product that can be animated, all you have to do is click the download button, select the number of images you'd like to have added to the zip or animated GIF, and then choose the file type you prefer. While zip files will download immediately, animated GIFs will take a moment to render, and will then be displayed on a new page in a separate tab to be downloaded. Please be aware that these animations are generated and then stored on our server for only 3 days. After that time, they will be deleted. For this reason, if you do not have server space of your own, and would like to be able to share links to these animations, we have listed 4 file hosting and sharing sites. These sites will allow you to create an account, upload the file, and obtain a permanent URL. So that's all we have for you as far as new NEXRAD features. In the coming weeks and months, our staff is going to be shifting focus to other corners of our site for improvement. So if you have any concerns or requests for our website, please feel free to contact us. And if you enjoy what we do, please like and share this video, and be sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter for the latest information on our site and program.